Hey guys, here I am again for the sixth time today. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a radio that came out of a 76 Chevy Malibu. This is basically a copy, a GM lookalike made by Audiovox. And as I mentioned in my last video, they may look similar on the outside, but they're nowhere near similar on the inside. Apparently, they started installing these GM copies in later GM cars. They're not nearly as good or workable as the actual genuine GM radios. So, if you've got one in your car, I strongly recommend replacing it with a GM 2700, which is what this is a copy of. And what you want to look for is the Delco GM logo right there on the dial. If you're buying this type of radio, I would very strongly recommend against purchasing a GM lookalike. They're not nearly as good as the originals, and they're a lot harder to work on. And in fact, I may stop taking them in before too long, just because they use cheaper controls. They don't last as long. The long-term reliability just isn't nearly as good as an actual Delco. So, given that, this comes from Steve in Arlington, Virginia, and Steve has requested that I only repair the 8-track function. He was satisfied with the radio reception and the general performance. Radio reception is not the best, but it's okay. And I was able to just fix the 8-track section. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM, and it's going to be a really quick test because we don't have virtual controls. We still have the original front rear fader and original balance control, so those go a lot quicker. So let's turn it on to AM.
Yes, we have teeth too. So if you're putting off getting dental work done because of insurance or financial reasons, talk to us. What are neighbors for? Find Bradshaw Family Dental in Prescott Valley or online at bradshawfamilydental.com.
AM 1130, 99.9 FM in Prescott, 95.5 FM, Prescott Valley and Cottonwood, KQNX.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Left balance.
It's Friday,
Right
August
balance.
16th. I'm Gregory Scott reporting
Right.
with local news. Minute check of your weekend weather forecast from the top.
Okay, and that is kind of a neat feature of the Delco copies, is that it does have a left-right balance control, whereas the original Delcos only have a front-rear fader. Having a balance control isn't worth everything else you got to put up with if you buy a Delco copy. I'll just say that. I'm not saying this customer has a crappy radio. I'm just saying that it's not a Delco.
To the student district
Okay, so let's move over to
officials
FM. So there's an FM station. Okay, now the beat of the matter. 8-track.
Chugging down the track, gotta travel on, never coming east, stay by true. Still I wonder, is it hush-a-bye, hush-a-hush-a-bye. Till I met you, son, you're the hush-a-hush-a-bye. Whoa, gotta want
And this eject button still works because the original motor was okay, and I didn't have to cut out half of the doggone tuner assembly to get a motor in there. So that's it. The dial light comes on with the units, and there's no need to test that separately. Everything is working, and she's ready to go back to the customer under the constraints of, I'm just here to fix the 8-track section, and the radio is already understood to be good enough for the user. So this comes from Steve, as I may have mentioned already, in Arlington, Virginia. Thank you, Steve, for your business from all the way across the country. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order. Have it in your hand before calling me with a bunch of questions about my prices, options, and turn times, because guess where the answers to that are? In the work order. It'll answer those questions as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you do need to call me for like a last-minute question, it's maybe a 3 or 4 minute conversation instead of a 15-minute conversation, which really cuts into my time on the bench where the actual work gets done, and that's where I need to be as much as possible, is on the bench and off the phone. So you are welcome to call, but please do that research first. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thanks again to Steve for his business all the way from Arlington, Virginia, and we'll see you guys next time.